Hi guys, my name is Shantae Holiday, and today we are going over what comes inside of the business credit course. I want for you to feel comfortable and see everything in there. That way you know what to expect for your students and you can properly offer it with confidence as the educator you are and a leader in your community. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to share my screen so that way we can go module for module and just look at what comes inside of the lessons, okay? Every module is a text module, words at the bottom, picture at the top, and a quiz in between to make sure that students are awake. So course introduction overviews here basically lays out the foundation of the course and what to expect, okay, for your students. Next, you're gonna have Business Credit 101, the basics and stuff there to make sure that they understand what is a paydex score, right? What is the score range for a paydex score? Is it like a FICO score? What exactly is business credit and why should it be important to me? Things of that nature. Next, it goes into building your business credit. What is your credit profile? LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, and then of course, a quiz to make sure everybody's awake. Next, it covers starting your business, establish your business, establish a business credit profile, business terms, and starting your business quiz. Okay? And next, it's going to be your business additional items. So you're going to have your startup list, your credit tiers, your credit cards, cars, and airlines, and a quiz to make sure that once again, all your students are awake for you and retaining the information. And last is going to be the congratulations module, okay? And the congratulations module basically thanks your students for going the extra mile and taking the course with you and stuff. So I'm really excited for your business and stuff there for you to even want to add an extra form of passive income. And I'm excited for your students. So definitely take a look, add to it if you would like to. Your branding, your videos, your bonuses, your affiliate links, anything under the sun, your Facebook groups, your social media, all of the above, right? So there's that. And I really appreciate you for joining me today. So my name is Shantae Holiday. We just went over what comes inside of the business credit course. And I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you for the next video. Bye.